Hello, my name is Anarimy, and today I am going to make clear slime, and the ingredients are clear shampoo and table salt. One bowl, and 1 spoon. I saw this video on YouTube and it's called How to Make Slime Without Activator, and I will give you guys a link to the video in the description down below. For your information, this might not work, but we'll try. And should we get started in the video? Alright, first I will use the shampoo. And I need to pour all of it. Just keep squeezing until it's all finished. I'm just going to use all of it. And now what I need next is table salt. And then we need to put the table salt in the shampoo. But do not put a lot in there, because you don't want to spend all of your salt in your thing. Okay, now you have to stir. Just keep stirring until it's quite slimy. So now I am going to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. I'll be right back. 15 minutes later. Here we have the slime that didn't work. I knew it's not going to work, but it's really hard. The color is changing to kind of brown. I don't know, it's right there, it's kind of brown. But the thing is, I don't know why that doesn't work. Maybe I put too much shampoo. Well, it's the amount of shampoo they did in the video. Maybe we need to put some water, maybe some salt, maybe more salt, maybe half sort of salt. Yeah, it doesn't even, like, it seems kind of watery and doesn't seem to work. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, it's so cold. Ew, it's so salty. I think I put too much salt because I can feel more salt. Oh, what is this? It looks like ice. Well, it turned out really shampoo-y thing. This is so disgusting. I better wash my hands before eating. Although this experiment is a fail, you guys can leave a like, share, subscribe, and more. Now I need to wash my hands, slimy hands. So, bye.